This isn't just a job tracker. It's a full job search command center built inside Notion with the strategy of a recruiter, the logic of a systems expert, and the psychology of a real human being in mind. Let's start with the structure. You've got 6 fully interconnected databases: jobs, companies, contacts, interviews, tasks, and resumes. Add something in one place, and it automatically links across the system. No duplicate entry, no scattered info, just a clean, connected workflow. Each job entry includes smart fields like application status, source, dates, links, interview stages, and more. Thanks to relations and roll-ups, you can instantly see which company it's tied to, who your contact is, and what the next step looks like. It's packed with automations and formulas that take care of the admin work, like calculating days since you applied, flagging when follow-ups are, and tracking your interview pipeline. Without needing a separate spread, you'll find quick action buttons to change stages with a click, update statuses on the fly, and filter your active applications with zero friction. Everything is built on beautiful layouts with easy-to-navigate views. Table, board, calendar, gallery, you name it. You can visualize your job search the way that works best for you. It also includes live dashboards and charts that break down your application status, sources, and progress over time. So you're not just guessing how things are going, you can actually see it. And yes, it looks good too. The whole thing was designed to be aesthetic, intuitive, and motivating to use every day, whether you're applying full-time or just getting started. This is a tracker made for real job seekers in the real world. Smart, connected, and way more powerful than a spreadsheet.